Okay, so today we are going to install the door sill guards. First thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you clean this off with some rubbing alcohol. You're just going to do a nice swipe across here. Make sure you get all the dirt off so you have a good adhesive. You want to make sure that it seals tightly. So on the back you have your tape. I'm just going to pull the edges down, curl them around. So that I can pull them out after I start the tape. I'm going to start with the top piece. So some of these go up over the lip here, some don't. I chose the ones that do because I wanted to protect the whole thing there. So when you pull those out, you're going to slide this into place. This piece goes over this bolt here. And you're just going to set it in here. Make sure you line it up. I'm going to pull this one first, which is the strip that goes along the back. And I'm going to pull out these side pieces. Make sure this piece is in. It's right up over that lip of paint so that nothing is exposed right in between this piece of plastic that's already molded in there. I'm going to push the front down and the back. And we're going to pull the center piece out. Well, we're going to pull this front piece out because the center one won't come. Okay. Then we're just going to push it down. Make sure everything's fitting in properly. And that's it. Some of them only come to here, so your paint is exposed on the whole edge here, and some just come up so that there's a piece here, or paint showing here. I wanted to cover the whole thing. Okay, that's it. We're going to move on to the back piece. So some of them came with lines to an arrow to line it up. These didn't. I just put them in place before I started to make sure I knew where they needed to fit. I've already wiped off this door sill. This is a smaller piece, so I'm just going to pull these off all the way. Maybe. So can you see how it's got that lip right there? That lip actually fits right in between the plastic. I'll get this top part in first. Push it down. Make sure they're tight. And that's it. That'll protect the paint from people dragging their feet across. Very happy with the way that looks. All right, thank you for watching.